Hey, today I want to talk about a stock that was brought to my attention in the comment section, and I'm really thankful. I'm really sorry I didn't remember your name, but I am definitely want to cover this stock because I think it's one stock we should all be taking a look at, and it's Palantir Technologies Inc. So the stock was up on Friday, big, over 16%, and then popped again after hours, up to $14 a share. If you look at the 1 month chart, it's just amazing. This is a company, I believe it IPO'd. Yeah, it IPO'd at 9.5, and it's continued to move up, and it's now starting to skyrocket. And I didn't know really much about this company, so I did some research on it. It's basically a big data company, and so what the company really does is, but no matter what industry you're in, you can take all the information that you have gathered, and it allows you to make better decisions on anything from new products or services or just how to be more efficient with your company. Here are all the sectors. You can see that they're in AI, auto racing, financial compliance, insurance, law enforcement, manufacturing, automotive, case management, defense. So you could look at, for instance, if you're in law enforcement, maybe you're doing investigations and you have all these data points and you're trying to, better uh, conclude your investigations by using data, financial compliance, gain all your financial data, make sure there's nothing out of whack. Cyber security, that makes sense. Auto racing, that's kind of unique. That makes sense. You take all the data to find out where your weak spots are so you can improve on it. Legal intelligence, defense. So sales and revenue, obviously, if you could take all the data from all your customers and find out how you can get more profit or increase your margins. I do think data is one of those things that if you have more knowledge of the data that you have as a company, you're gonna be able to be more successful. And so it makes sense, big data being a company that you would definitely want to look at. The company already has a pretty big market cap of $22 billion for a company that's just IPO'd. The revenue is at 739 million. Peter Thiel is one of the founders. He's been behind a lot of big companies, PayPal, and all that. So this is definitely a company with some serious heavy hitters. Now, after this big pop, it is probably going to fall back a little bit, but this is a stock you definitely want to watch because it sounds like this company, with all the heavy hitters, it's got Stephen Cohen. He's, I believe, the billionaire hedge fund guy. It sounds like this is a company that has the potential to be very big because we think about big data. Just about every company can benefit from taking all their data and extrapolating any knowledge about it. And they seem, Palantir, I'll do more research on it, but it seems like they would be the leader in this space. So I would definitely take a look at it. The stock symbol is PLTR. Just be aware it may have to pull back a little bit before it keeps going. So maybe look at it. It popped from almost 12 to 14, so maybe about the 13 level. If it falls back down to 13, that would be maybe another 6%, a 6% drop from where it's at. That might be a good place to buy. But definitely take a look at this company. I think it definitely has the potential to be pretty big. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on everything from stocks to options to stock trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.